First Christmas at the Yellow Bungalow. Snow has come to the mountains. Christmas is close at hand. Rufus and Iago are dreaming how nice it would be to have a Christmas tree for the first Christmas at the Yellow Bungalow. Let's go to the forest to find a little Christmas tree. Oh, what a lovely Christmas tree! It is just the one for us. Let's carry this lovely tree to the Yellow Bungalow. Seamus, the owner of the Yellow Bungalow, came to help them. Jesus has been born for us. Bethlehem is in our heart. Rufus' gift to baby Jesus is some homemade scones he has baked. Iago's gift is a big fish. Seamus and Colin's gift are homemade shamrock cheese and shamrock butter. Let's celebrate the birthday of Jesus, the first Christmas at the Yellow Bungalow.